Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to go over exactly how to download and install the MetaMask Chrome extension. If that sounds like something you're interested in, make sure you hang around till the end of the video. Not only in this video will we explain how to install and download it, we'll also go over how to add one new network to it and also send and receive some tokens. Let's get straight into it. Alright guys, here we are on the computer. First thing you want to do is just head over to metamask.io. After going to metamask.io, hit the download now button, install MetaMask for Edge. I'm on Edge at the moment because I already have it on Chrome, but it's the exact same process for Google Chrome. Select get, let's go add extension. Let's just wait a second for it to finish downloading. Once it downloads, it'll open up its own separate window for it. Alright, now let's just hit get started here guys. Alright guys, if you already have a wallet, then you can import your wallet here using your recovery phrase. If not, let's go create a new wallet. Alright, just read through maybe some of this, but it's just some terms and conditions, obviously to never give out your key phrase or any of your information. Let's go agree. Let's just set a new password. Password 1, let's do. Obviously don't do password 1, that's a terrible password. I've read the terms and conditions. Let's go create. What it's doing right now is creating a brand new wallet for you. Okay, I recommend watching this video obviously to just get a good grasp on how to do these things. Let's go next. Alright, here's your secret recovery phrase. This will just be shown here guys. Once I click to reveal the secret words, you want to make sure you write these down on a piece of paper preferably. Obviously it's insecure to store it on your computer because if your computer gets compromised, then obviously your key phrase will as well. So best thing to do would be to grab these keywords and write them down on a piece of paper and store them somewhere secure in your house. So let's reveal mine here for now. What I'm just going to do for the trial of this today is just go to Notepad. This is a terrible idea. Don't ever do this, guys. And then let's paste it in the Notepad just so I've got them. So you do need to note these down before you can move on to the next step. Let's go to the next step. And then, all right, so it's going to ask me to just confirm to make sure that I have written them down in the correct order. Let's go in the correct order. Let's go issue jeans cross vacant. So garbage pelican. And then let's continue. Congratulations, we've set that up for us, right? So here's actually our wallet initially. Nobody really uses this sort of interface. It's more using just the extension. So if you go up to here, it's the same on Chrome as well again. Go to your extensions. The best thing to do is usually, I like to go show in toolbar, so then it's always there. In Chrome, it'll actually have a picture of a pin. It'll say pin in taskbar, so you can pin that there. All right, let's have a quick look inside the MetaMask wallet. So if you select it up there, you can see here that we're currently on the Ethereum mainnet, which is the top here, which is the only network that we have that we've implemented onto the MetaMask Chrome extension so far. And this is your account. You can create a sub account inside of your wallet, which actually generates its own private key, which is good for if you want to buy any sort of new DeFi tokens that you're worried about your wallet getting compromised or something like that. So here's your balance, well, what you have. Here's the activity, but we don't currently have any. And then buy, send, and MetaMask has its own swap feature incorporated as well. Another thing to note up here, guys, is this is your current address. So if you click that, it'll copy it to your clipboard, or you can click the little dots here and you can go account details and it shows you your exact address as well as a QR code, which you can actually scan to send the Ethereum to. So let's go head over and let's import another mainnet. All right, so what we're going to do is open up a new tab. We're going to go to Binance mainnet, and we're going to add BNB, so Binance's mainnet. So what we're going to scroll down here. I'll link this in the description as well, guys. So here we can see is the network name, the RPC, the chain, the symbol, etc. So let's go to MetaMask wallet. Let's go up here. We'll go add new network. Let's make this side by side so then we can just test these out. All right, so the network name is pretty much just copy and paste. We'll go network smart chain. We'll add the new RPC, which is over here. We'll add the chain ID, which is 56. The symbol, which is going to be BNB, which is their native token. And then let's go to the block explorer as well. And we'll save that there. All right, guys, now you can see that we've got the Binance Smart Chain imported into our MetaMask wallet as well. So even if you head up here to the MetaMask Chrome extension, you can see Smart Chain and then Ethereum mainnet. I do recommend maybe naming it BNB Smart Chain just so then you can see it later on and it's a bit easier to access, but that's pretty simple, guys. All right, let's head on over to sending a couple of tokens to another address. All right, guys, here we are on my wallet here. So what we've done is we've gone to the Polygon network because I've just got some tokens on there to test it out with. So today we're going to So I've already imported a couple of wallets, so let's go to this one here. Let's copy my address to the clipboard. Let's go back over to my other wallet. So this wallet here can be your centralized exchange wallet, like your Binance account or something like that. And you just copy the address. So we'll go to send. We'll go over here. We'll paste the address. Let's just send one Matic to test it out. and it'll give us the estimated gas fee, which is 0.01 Matic at the moment, which is pretty cheap for Matic. And then let's confirm it. It'll say here the transaction's pending. I want to quickly switch over to the one that we're sending it to, just so we can see it come in. Alright guys, and that pretty much just sums up exactly how to send and receive any sort of token on which network you're on. And as you can see here, there's a wide variety of networks that you guys can add to your wallet, but using that exact same step that I used with Binance Smart Chain. Alright, all done guys. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you like and subscribe. It really helps the YouTube algorithm. As always, thanks for watching Sheldon Cook Tech.